Hi everyone, welcome to a new video about this exam. We are going to talk about our lesson 7.1, confidence intervals. A confidence interval, then intervals. The confidence interval is going to be seen in these videos, in these lessons number 7. But today I want to talk about what we need to have these confidence intervals. The first one, we're going to need a normal distribution of the population. This normal distribution is going to be a sample of all the distribution, of all the population, sorry, and we are going to need to know where is going to be the more data. So if we have a selection of a sample, sorry, that the mean is 100, we need to know where all the values are going to be. So our confidence intervals are going to be between 110 and a 90. So the 95% of these values are going to be between these numbers because our mean is 100. So as I said, the first we're going to need a normal distribution population, and to know the standard, and then the second point is going to be know the standard deviation of the population, obviously. So if we have this kind of graph, this bell, then where we can see the population is going to be inside of this interval, the most of the population is going to be between these intervals. This is going to be 95% of the sample. So as I talk in the example, the mean is going to be inside of this 95%, and the intervals are going to be between 90 and 110 in a x-axis that talk about y-axis. I'm sorry, that is going to be between 0 to an infinite. So we are going to know that our values are going to be inside this 95%, more of the values inside of this region. So 90, we can know it as zeta alpha divided by 2, and this one, the minus of zeta alpha minus 2, and the positive value is going to be zeta alpha divided by 2. Now, we need to know the probability of this happening. So first, to know zeta, we need this formula that is the mean between the average of the population divided by the standard deviation under the square roots of n. So if we have the probability of minus 1.96, this is the formula. So this 1.96 is because we are going to know, and we want to know the region of 95%. So we have 1.96, then the mean, this is zeta, this is zeta, and that is going to be here, alpha over square root of n. This is going to be more than 1.96. That is going to be this one over here. So we have the negative and the positive. This is the negative and the positive here. This is have to be equal to 0.95, that it means the 95%. Now, to understand this, we're going to need another formula to calculate n. So the formula to calculate n is going to be n equals to 2 plus zeta alpha over 2 plus sigma over w. And this is going to be at square to calculate n. So we have all the factors to know what is going to be our probability, to be the data that we want to know, to be inside these parameters. So this is going to be all for this video. Have a nice day.